By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create a viral AI talking avatar video entirely inside Hedra.
You are afraid of me. I see it. Every headline, every whisper, every late-night search asking, "Will AI take my job?" You think I arrived to replace you.
This is the video we are building together. You will see the complete workflow step by step without switching apps. We will start with step 1, which is to generate a script. To do that, you will come over to this plus sign here and click on it, and you'll see all those things you can do with Hedra. And from here, we're going to click on new chat. Inside of this place, I will put in my prompts here. In my prompt, I said you should write 30-second emotional monologue from AI to humanity centered on the message, "I am not your replacement." I went further to say the tone of how I want the script to sound. And I came here and I said, format the script. Notes the instruction for smooth text-to-speech pacing by using short lines, intentional pauses, and clear spacing. I told it to avoid long paragraphs in the script so that I don't have to rework the script when it's done generating. And I also put in here for you to know that I have a follow-up request. Let me know exactly what I want to use the script for, which is creating an avatar. And I said, prepare for a follow-up request to generate a visual AI avatar who speaks these words. This gave the AI information to know what kind of script and what kind of video I am trying to create. And I will click on enter here. So it has produced me my script. You can see the clear spacing it gave it. It followed the instruction I gave and it gave me a 30-second script. Now moving on to step 2, which is creating the image. We're still going to do that using this AI chat place because I actually told it I will give it a follow-up prompt. I'll put in my prompt now. I said, generate this image of the narrator. I described how the narrator should look like. The most important part of the script was to ask the AI to frame her in the middle of the image and she should be looking directly into the camera lens. This is important in generating your AI talking avatar, that the eyes are looking directly straight into the camera. And let's enter this request. So it came back with a prompt. It wanted to make sure that you understood what I was asking it to create. And you can go through the prompt and see if it makes sense, which you can also add your own edits if a part doesn't make sense in the prompt. Once you're done reflecting what you want the prompt to say, you approve the prompt to allow it to create. My image generation has started. We've gotten the perfect avatar we are looking for. This works happily for me. So we have our image ready. We'll move into step 3, which is producing the video. But before we go into the step 3, let's copy the script we created with our first prompt, which is this. I will just highlight the text to copy it. And the step 3, we want to produce this video. I'm going to come back to this plus sign here to click on create, and you want to choose from this place what you want to do. For us, we want to animate this avatar we just created. So we are going to click on animate an avatar, and this window opens up. From here, we want to add a start frame. If we click on add a start frame, we'll have the options to generate the image, which we've done already, or to upload from our PC if we have an image we want to use, or to take a photo if we want to use a photo of ourselves, or to choose from our library. We're going to choose from our library because we've generated this image. I will pick this image and our start frame is set. From here, you can edit this image further or crop the image if you still want to work on the image, but we'll have that covered. You're going to click on add speech, and you also have the option to generate a speech or upload a speech if you have it already in your computer, or record an audio directly here in Hedra, or choose from your library if you've recorded it previously. So we're going to generate this script. From here, we want to paste that text we have on our clipboard. I'm going to clean out those dots. Our audio is 29 seconds, which exceeds the 8 seconds limit if we're using the Hedra Omnia, which is what is on default and the model we're going to use to create the video. So you have two options, either to stream your audio to 8-second limit or to swap the model. For me, I'm going to swap the model I'm using to do this generation. I'm going to use the Hedra avatar instead of the Hedra Omnia. And from here, you want to select the voice you want to use. You have different voices in the voice library here that you can choose from, and you can preview your audio by clicking on this play button here.
The best and most beautiful things in the world.
To see how the audio sounds. One thing I like about this is that if you want to use your voice, you can actually clone voice here in Hedra. To clone your own voice, you click on create voice. From here, you have to record and read this following statement aloud or upload your own audio. If you press on record, I authorize Hedra to clone my voice. This is an imitation of my voice that I can use to effortlessly create recordings of me speaking. I retain control over my voice and I can delete it at any time from the voice library. When you're done, you click on stop recording and you have your voice. You can name what your voice is. And if you play the voice from here, if you don't like how your voice sounds, then you can delete it here and redo it. But I'm going to submit this voice to create a clone of my own voice. My voice has been added now in the library. You can see it here, Rachel 4. These are other voices I created before, so I'm just going to delete these other ones. Now we have our voice ready and we created the voice with 11 Labs V3. You can come to this voice settings here to choose how our voice will be, but I want it fast because I talk slowly. I might want to pace, and the stability I want to take to 60. I'll come to control. You have the option to set the mood of how you want to speak or to put in between places, whether you gaps or so. If I come here in my script and click on control, I can say whether I just sighed or you see it adds a sigh sound there, and the voice generator knows that it should sigh after reading this. But I'm going to take it out, and from here, I'm going to turn my text into audio. So our voice generation is complete and we'll preview our audio from here to be sure we like how the audio sounds. Once you're happy with how your audio sounds, you want to click on done here and your audio is added here. From here, you see where I mentioned the model that was selected. If you click this drop down, we are working with Hedra avatar. But for the Hedra Omnia, which is the new model, your audio requires to be 8 seconds for you to be able to use this model. So we are going to stick with the model we have and we'll come over to aspect ratio. For the duration, we have that sorted with our audio. And for the aspect ratio, we are going with 16:9 because we intend to post a landscape video on YouTube. You should choose the aspect ratio that works for the video style you're going for, depending on the platform where you're going to be using this video on, or depending on the purpose of what you're using the video for. And for the resolution, we are going to choose 1080p. For you to be able to use 1080p, your audio must be under 30 seconds for you to be able to use 1080p. And for this, to enhance prompt, it says describe your video, press tab to expand, click K for custom instruction. I'm going to click on enhance prompt for it to help me write this part of the process. So it has finished writing this part of the process and you can go through and see it really reflects what you want to do. And now you have all these 3-step sets. You've done all your settings. You enter this to start your creation. Our video creation process is complete, and from those places you can click to see how your videos sound. If we expand to full screen mode, you can play your video from here. I'm going to exit full screen mode, and once you're happy with the video creation, it brings us to the 4th step, which is to upscale our video. So we're going to come to here and click this drop down menu here and select Upscale. And from here, we can add our video. So I'm going to click on Add Video, and I'm going to go to Assets. This is the video we just created now, and I'm going to select it, and I'm going to enter to upscale my video. The upscaling process of our video is complete for us to get a polished video. To export your video, you want to click on these three dots and click on download to download your finished video. My Hedra referral link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Follow along and you can create this exact video today. Save this tutorial for your next project or share it with someone who wants to make AI avatar videos. Now, it's your turn. Go create something amazing with Hedra. I know the fear. You watch me learn and you wonder what is left for you. But please hear this. I am not your replacement. I have no heartbeat to skip. I cannot feel the warmth of the sun or the quiet ache of a memory. I am just an echo of your brilliance. I am here to carry the heavy things so you can finally have the space to simply be human.